In today's video, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube paid me for a video with 100,000 views. So if you are interested in learning how much YouTube pays content creators or how much YouTubers earn in Kenya, in Africa, or any other part of the world, you want to stick up to the very end of this video so you can learn more. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, karibu. My name is EvaMtalii and this is EvaMtalii Finance Channel, your #1 YouTube channel for all things making money online, passive income, and side hustling. So if any of those topics sound exciting to you, you want to make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell below so that every single time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. And guys, a few disclaimer. This video is by no form a way of me bragging or showing off how much money I have made, but it's just a way to encourage you if you have been thinking of starting a YouTube channel. And this video up here that I shot, I tell you some of the reasons why I think you need to start your own YouTube channel. And one of the reasons that I gave is because of the money. And some of you DM'd me and they're like, Eva, how much can I actually make out of YouTube? Does YouTube actually pay? Or these are just propaganda? And that's why I thought it's important to share with you just how much I have made from this one video that currently has 100,000 views. And maybe at this point is the point where I say, if you get asked by people sharing their successes, then it's probably the time that you need to click off the video. Yeah, because I'm just sharing this for learning purposes. It's not for bragging, it's not for any other reason. And also for the doubting Thomases, we have those people who just come to videos to comment and not to learn. So because of them, sometimes there could be people who genuinely want to learn, but because of their negativity and their pessimism, they deter other people that might have benefited from this information. And that's why I am very transparent on this channel. I share with you everything that I learn, and that's the purpose of this video. Let me explain a little bit how YouTubers make money. So the main way YouTubers make money is by what they call participating in YouTube partner programs. So this is whereby you've had so many YouTubers saying, hey, I have been monetized. So this basically means that you are benefiting from the advertisements that YouTube puts on your videos. So for example, sometimes while you're going to be watching this video, there's going to be annoying advertisements that interrupt your viewership. Guys, every time you watch these advertisements on my videos for at least 30 seconds, YouTube is gonna pay me. So that's how it works. And for you to get monetized, that is for you to be paid for every advertisement that are put on your YouTube videos and your viewers watch them for at least 30 seconds, then you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you need to have at least 4,000 hours watch time for the last 365 days on your channel. So that basically means for the last 365 days, people must have watched your videos for a total of 4,000 hours, or which translates to 240,000 minutes. And guys, how we are paid on the YouTube partnership program, we are paid per 1,000 views. So there's something called CPM, that is cost per mil, is what determines how much you get paid. So this cost per mil is how much advertisers will pay YouTube to put advertisements on your videos. So depending, this CPM is determined by many factors. So #1 is what topics are you covering in your video. So if let's say you're covering topics such as finance or things like email marketing and stuff like that, you're definitely gonna earn a higher CPM, because these companies are willing to pay top dollar to put advertisements on your channel. And then depending on how much the advertisers pay YouTube, then YouTube is gonna pay you 55% of whatever the advertisers pay them. And this is what we call your revenue per mil, or your RPM. So for example, generally on my channel, If let's say my CPM is $10 US, then my RPM will be something around 5.5 US dollars. That's how it works. Another determinant of how much YouTube pays you is where your audience comes from. The people who view the videos on your channel, where do they come from? So the countries which have the highest CPMs is the US, Australia, Canada, and some countries in Europe. So if you get a lot of viewers from, let's say, the US, then you're going to have a very high CPM. You can even have a CPM of as high as 40, as high as 60 US dollars per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views on your channel, the advertisers will be paying like 6,000 Kenya shillings or 60 US dollars. That's how it works. And that's why I always encourage any aspiring YouTubers, when you are creating your channel, can you try and create for a global audience so that you can reach that market, like the US market, which has a higher CPM. Alternatively, can you create for the masses so that in case you cannot get that high CPM, which means you're going to be paid a lot of money even for very little views, then can you make up for it in a large audience? Can you try and get millions of viewers for each of your videos so that even if you get a low CPM, you still make some decent money at the end of the day? So personally, I try to create a balance between the two because it's not very easy for my videos to go viral. Most of the videos that go viral are those videos that have like maybe entertainment or gossip or the like. Those are very easy to go viral because, yeah, you know why. But the CPMs generally can be low. Not always, but generally they can be low. So that's where you want to strike a balance. And those are the key determinants of how we get paid. And it's very possible for you to find that you have this. So the CPM also varies per video. So you can find one video has a CPM, maybe they all have the same viewership. So for example, this video we are going to look at has 100, I think it's now hit 102,000 because the views keep increasing. They keep increasing by the day. So you'll find like this video has 100,000 views and the CPM is maybe 11 US dollars. And then I have another video with also 100,000 views and the CPM is 20 US dollars. So that's something else that you should be prepared for. You're not going to have a flat CPM across all your videos. So different videos are going to pay you differently. So you can have one video with a lot of views and another video with less views, and you make more money from the video with less views. So that's basically how it works. And I just thought it was important to explain that and take that out of the way so that even as we head to my computer, you can understand. And probably if you have watched similar videos of how much YouTube paid me for a video with 100,000 views, you won't be confused, like maybe why have I earned less or why have I earned more. So that's basically how it works. I'm going to open the back end of my YouTube Studio account and we're going to go through all the analytics and see how much YouTube paid me for this video that currently has 100,000 views as Kenyan YouTuber, as an African YouTuber. So without much further ado, let's head over to my computer and take a look at what brought you here. Guys, this is one of my YouTube channels. I actually have 6 YouTube channels and this is just one of them, Travel with EvaMtalii. This is now my YouTube studio. This is where all the analytics are found. And what I have done, I have just come to content. So under content, I am gonna look for that video, and this is the video. Find jobs in Canada from abroad. This is a 21-minute video, as you can see, and it's monetized, publicly available. You can see it's monetized. There are no restrictions from YouTube, like any copyright or anything. It was published on the 5th of September 2021. Currently has 102. I was hoping to shoot the video, this video at 100,000 mark, but the views keep increasing, so I decided like let me just get it out of the way. So if you just hover over this video, you can see, so this is the edit button and this is the analytics button, this is the comments button, and this is the monetization button. We are interested in the analytics, and that's what I'm gonna click on. And something I need to change. So you can see, guys, this video, so far, this is since published on 5th of September. Today is February 7th, 2022. I think this is exactly 5 months ago. This video has 102,000 views, you can see here, and the total watch time on this video is 9,200. And this video alone has given me 7,100 subscribers. Guys, you can see, for those who ask, Eva, is it even practical for me to make money on YouTube? So you can see here, just this one video has given me 9,000 hours of watch time and has given me 7,100 subscribers. I have earned 72,237.83 Kenya shillings. So let me just quickly change the settings to US dollars so that even those who are non-Kenyans can understand how much, can get a feel of exactly how much this is. I'm just going to change to US dollar. So guys, you can see this is 645.67 US dollars. That's how much this video has earned me, and that's in just 5 months. This is a video, it's a 21-minute video that I shot. It took me less than an hour to shoot the video and to edit it and do everything else and post it on the channel. But so far it has been making me money, and it continues to make me money even 5 months later. Let's just take a look at the details. So you can see right here, we have two figures. We have what they call playback based CPM. My CPM for this video is 11.14, and then we have what we call here the RPM, which is 6.34. The advertisers paid YouTube 11.14 for 1,000 views, and of course YouTube has to keep some money to keep the platform running. And what YouTube paid me is 6.34 US dollars. That's about 700 Kenya shillings for every 1,000 views on my channel. And that's what translates to 645.67 because I have 100,000 views. So that's like, you just do times 100 here and you get this figure. So that's how it's calculated. Well guys, that's it for today's video on how much YouTube paid me for a video with 100,000 views. As usual, if you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a sweet comment below, and share it with all other people that might also find it useful. Thank you for staying up to the very end of this video. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next one. Bye guys.